Let me show you how to create this text portrait effect in Photoshop. Download the image from the description. First, go to View and choose New Guide Layout. Follow these settings. When you finish, press OK. Now choose the Type tool. Go to Window and choose Character. This is the font that I am using. Write your text. When you finish, choose the Move tool. Press Ctrl-A to select all. Center the text horizontally. Press Ctrl-D to deselect. Now select the image layer. Press Ctrl-J to make a copy. Drag it on top of the layers. Hide the upper layer and choose the lower layer. Choose the Marquee Selection tool. Follow this process. Add a layer mask. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Solid Color. Choose the black color and then press OK. Drag this layer to the back. Now unhide this image layer. Right-click and choose Create Clipping Mask. That's it. Hope you liked it. I made 18 Instagram carousel Photoshop templates for you. Check the link in the description below. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Also watch other tutorials in my channel. Thanks for your support.